watching Trendalicious with me, Tanvi. Well, I just got back from a friend's house and we had so much fun there. But you know what was not so fun? What happened in this very house before I went there? Well, I'm a girl, guys. I mean, I take time to do things, I took so much time to find my clothes that I had no makeup on and it was time to leave. We were so late and my boyfriend was screaming at the top of his voice, "Get ready, blah, 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 blah." And I was like, give me just 10 minutes. And you know what I did in 10 minutes? This makeup look right here. So if you guys want to see how I did it, keep watching. Okay, the first product I'm going to be using is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I really think a moisturizer is very important for makeup because basically makeup, has so many harsh chemicals, and a moisturizer helps to create a barrier between your actual skin and the harsh chemicals of the product. This is how much moisturizer I'm using, guys. You just need a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. So now my skin is nice and hydrated. So the next product I'm going to be using is a primer. Well, I'm using the Kryolan underbase primer. It is very important to use a primer because primer makes sure that your makeup sticks to your face and doesn't run away to Timbuktu. Let me show you how much I'm going to be using. Like I said, just a little bit. That's it. Primer. Now for my concealer to hide away these dark circles. This is the Bharat and Dorris base actually. It's not the concealer. They also have concealers, but I think the base is enough for me. It is the number 5. It's called Sand Medium. I love Bharat and Dorris because it is an Indian brand. It is made for Indian skin tone, and I like the fact that it sticks to your face like glue and it doesn't move at all. Bharat and Dorris, I love you. Okay, now that my concealer is done, let's move on to base. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is the Makeupforever HD foundation. Well, there are things I like about this and there are some things that I don't like about it. The fact that it does cover, it has like sheer coverage, but if you have like really dark spots, then you have to keep building it up again and again and again. So that's one thing I don't like about it. But if you've got like perfect flawless skin, then this is your foundation. I don't. Sometimes I have a lot of pigmentation on my face, so I make sure that I put on another foundation with it, and that's called the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I mix both of them, and let me tell you my secret ingredient, which a lot of people ask me. It is the Kryolan Professional Makeup. I really like this. I think it's called Event Makeup, and it's in the shade Pearl. I like it a lot because it gives my face a lot of shimmer from within, as in my skin looks my skin looks very, very, very healthy, and a lot of people ask me, okay, what are you doing? And I'm like, it's the fruits and vegetables, or it's the juice that I have every morning, but actually it's this product right here. So you don't have to actually, mix two foundations, put something like this on. You can use whatever foundation you like. This is what suits me, so I'm using this one. I always take it at the back of my hand. Just this much. Or you look like the moon. What I don't like about the Fit Me is that they don't have a pump. You'll have to just put it. Sometimes, you end up putting a lot of product, but you have to be like really careful while putting this one. So basically it's just like one pump of everything. Let's get started. So what I do is I use my finger to make spots all over my face. trick is in the tapping, guys. Make sure that if it's moisturizer or your primer or your makeup, you really pat. Moisturizer done, primer done, concealer done, foundation done, and now it's time to contour. Well, I don't really need it too much other than my nose because I already have kind of high cheekbones and I don't want to look. So I'm just going to be using it only on my nose. Well, the brush that I'm going to be using is by Kryolan. I don't really have the number of this brush. I'm really sorry, guys, but you know, by the shape you guys can buy it off the counter. This is the brush that I'm using. It really helps to kind of contour here and here. And the cutting that I'm going to be using, the contour cutting, is by MAC. Who's that girl with a really slim nose? Tanvi. Done. Okay, time to set my foundation. I've got two loose powders over here. One is by B&B, it's their translucent powder, and one is by Kryolan. Oh my god, I use a lot of Kryolan products, I realize. Okay, this is a yellow powder, but today I'm not shooting. I'm just going to go out, so I'm going to keep this aside and just use the translucent powder. I like to just set only my under eye. Let's bake it for a bit, guys. If you guys don't know what baking is, it is exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna just keep this so that it just sets in for a bit, and then we're gonna wipe it off with the brush. Okay, now I'm gonna get on to my eyebrows. Because my eyebrows are really dark, my hair is really dark, I'm gonna be using something that will shock you, and it is the L'Oreal Profound Black Gel Eyeliner. Yes, a makeup dada taught me this trick. He said because there's no use of using brown or something else because my brows are too black, this is the solution for me. At first I thought he was mad, but then I realized it really does look good. An angular brush. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, this is number 5. It's a Bharat and Dorris angular brush, number 35. I love the Bharat and Dorris brushes. I love Bharat and Dorris. Basically, it's so cheap and affordable, and their products are so amazing. Black, huh? Eyebrows done. Time for eyeshadow. Well, I'm using the Blush Nudes palette by Maybelline, and since I'm in a hurry, oh my god, he's gonna come here and start screaming any minute. Before all that happens, I'm gonna be just using this, and I think you really don't have to use a brush all the time. You can apply it with your fingers. So I'm gonna be using this color right here with my fingers, guys. Come on, you can do so much. Done. So for the crease, I don't think you guys can use your fingers because it just doesn't come out right. So for the crease, I'm going to be using just like a normal color, probably like this one, because this is so pigmented. Just look at this palette, guys. It's amazing. Shadow done. No eye looks great without definition, and for definition you need an eyeliner. This is what I'm going to be using. It's the MAC eye pencil. It's called Teddy. I absolutely love this. If you guys are into makeup, make sure that you have this one. It is brown. It's not kind of black. I don't like black eyeliners too much. I like my eyes to be a little softer, less defined, but defined. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Simple and pretty. And that's it. Eyeliner eyeliner done. Time for... Ouch!
The motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Time for my favorite product. If God gave me a big punishment and granted me only one makeup product, this is what I would use. A very, very good mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. The Maybelline mascaras on the whole I think are really, really good, but this one is my favorite. Let's get on to mascara, guys. The only problem I have with this mascara, let me tell you guys, is that if you sneeze while putting it on, then it forms like sediments here, and those sediments just don't go. But if you put it on and sneeze or cry or go underwater or drown or do whatever, this will not come off. Once you're done with your eyes, I think it's safe enough to remove this. I think the powder must be set by now. Yeah, see? It's set. Of course, I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on this makeup and that makeup and party makeup and smoky eyes and stuff like that. But this is just like my go-to makeup when I have people screaming at me from the back. Moving on to blushes, I'm really into cream blushes these days. I mean, I really like a lot of powder blushes too. But you know, somehow when you put like a cream blush, it looks like your skin is pink from within. So I'm going to be using the Stila Convertible Color Blush. These come in I think 3 or 4 colors. But the name is wiped off. So I think this is one color, this whole peachy range. Now for some lip color. Well, I'm going to be using this lip color, and I've never heard of this name before, but I saw it in some store and I really like the color, so I bought it. It's the Bella Boste Ultimate Chubby Stick. So easy to glide on. I really like it, but I'm not done with my lipstick yet. I'm going to be using another color. Well, I'm not really into like, I'm into matte lipsticks. I don't like something that's too glossy. But I really like this color, and I will dab it on with like, tissue or like a towel or something like that. So I'm going to be using this. It's the Lip Paint Lacquer, if that's how it's pronounced, by L'Oreal Paris. And it's in the shade Darling Pink. Let me just be a typical makeup blogger and do the normal pout. And for my waterline, I don't like using dark pencils. I like using something that will make my eyes look a little bigger. So this is my white pencil. It's by Miss Claire. I really like this brand. Somehow, I think all the things in this brand is something that I really like, whether it's eyeshadows, their brow kit, stuff like that. This brand is really, really nice. And sasta. People who are abroad and watching my video, I mean reasonable. Done. My eyes looking nice and bright now. Now for some highlight. Well, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I got this from the US. My father lives there. Thank you for this, Daddy! It comes in 4 colors. I haven't used this at all because I don't know, like I said, I don't like to like bronze my face. But I use these 3 colors and I absolutely love them. For people who don't like too much highlight, I wouldn't recommend this because it looks highlighting, if you know what I'm saying. But I'm an exception. I love it. I'm going to be using a flat brush like this. I like a brush like this for my highlight because it really shows, it just sits on the face, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to be using this color here called Moonstone. For a nice highlighted face. Well, before he leaves without me, let me finish off my makeup. Oh, sorry. Let me finish off my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I wasn't really into setting sprays, but then once I started using this, I realized that it really does make a difference. I mean, it just makes sure that your makeup sets, you know, and even if you're out for like 6-7 hours, it doesn't move at all. That's what I like about this. This product stinks, guys.
I'm done. I'm changed. I'm ready. You're not ready, right?
I've been ready and waiting for you for the last 20 minutes. Well, I really hope you guys like this video. If you have, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. And have you guys really seen my older and earlier videos as well? If you haven't, there they are. I'm sorry, I'm really fumbling and grumbling and all of that because I really have to go. But don't forget to subscribe, guys. I need a lot of you guys to subscribe, okay? Please, 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 please. Or I'm gonna spray this gandara smell on you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys. Bye.